Yuvan Chintana Foundation, in association with Workbench Projects Innovation Foundation and Paper Crane Lab, have built a STEAM curriculum. This curriculum basically consists of hands-on activities that teach children the sciences through play, and it also teaches them critical thinking through an appreciation of the arts. We have integrated the arts in this curriculum, which is why it's called STEAM and not STEM. STEAM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, Arts and Mathematics. So the STEAM education platform seeks to give both students and teachers a glimpse of what education can be like in their schools. It can make them fall in love with the process of learning and teaching and prepare them for a future in which this ability to be a self-learner will be valued more and more. There are so many reasons why this curriculum is the need of the hour. The first being that it places the arts at the center. It gives students the ability to create art and reflect on their creations, and it teaches them how to look at art and ask questions that deepen their understanding of it. Our STEAM curriculum, we found, has aligned with the National Educational Policy 2020 in many ways. Our curriculum is basically meant for government school students in rural Karnataka, so we do align with the NEP's policy to be equitable and inclusive. We also try to encourage multidisciplinary learning, because many of the modules we've tried to connect them with each other. So we have tried to align with the objectives of NEP in many ways. So we began the first stage of this process. We conducted an immersive 3-day workshop for 24 of our facilitators who come from all across Karnataka. The facilitators also went on a photo walk, and the idea was for them to take photographs which they would eventually use in their scratch coding projects. So each of them working on a scratch coding project on the topic of gender, because that's another really important focus of our curriculum as well. We want to open out discussions on gender, on the rights of tribals in all these rural districts, and a lot of different ideas. We want to get students talking about these things. And we also conducted a circuit building exercise. So facilitators had to make small little devices. They had to use motors. They had to use different kinds of buttons. They had to think creatively as to how they would make these projects. So that was also a part of this entire workshop. We hope that they themselves will go out and search for such projects to do with their students. So that was also a part of this workshop, encouraging them to do that, to go out and to search on their own, to explore on their own. So we kind of try to ignite that fire through this workshop.
Because by the time rocket is traveling at 11.9 kilometers per second, your earth is rotating. But ಎಷ್ಟು ಮೇಲಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು depends on the design of the rocket.
So as part of this 3-day immersive workshop, we conducted a rocket building exercise where facilitators had to build a rocket from scratch. They got these rocket making kits. And they also had to eventually then launch those rockets, and the thrill of launching that rocket was indescribable. It was thrillful for us. The STEAM education platform seeks to give both students and their teachers an idea of what learning could be like in their schools. We are hoping that by experiencing this curriculum, students and teachers start thinking like self-learners they start approaching problems and start feeling like identifying solutions to them on their own. That is the hope, of course. That's the lofty overarching hope of this curriculum. We're going to conduct a pilot of this curriculum in Karnataka in collaboration with the Rural Development and Panchayat Raj Department of the Government of Karnataka. We're really grateful for their support of this curriculum because it's quite different. It's meant to be for students of all age groups. Anybody who wants to, learn something, who wants to maybe come back to school, who never felt they had the chance, people who have these vocational skills that they want to share with the community could come and teach students. We want people to value the work that they do. We encourage students to look at the vocations around them, identify the different vocations around them, work in the regions that they come from, be proud of the regions that they come from. All this is a really important part of this curriculum, and we hope that translates when we begin our pilot.